Why does your scanner show the P047F engine code? What does it mean? P047F is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure control valve stuck open. This engine code indicates that this valve helps manage exhaust back pressure, particularly during engine warm-up, and the powertrain control module PCM detects the issue when the valve's actual position doesn't match its intended position. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: stuck open exhaust pressure control valve, faulty exhaust pressure sensor, electrical circuit issues, PCM failure, carbon buildup. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.